Assalamu alaikum. My name is Wajid Ali Khan, and without wasting any time, let's go and understand the nature of the candlesticks. In our previous video, we have learned that if the closing price is above opening price, then a candle is bullish, means that there are more buyers in the market. And when the closing price is below the opening price, the candle is bearish. That means that there are more sellers in the market. Now, we will see a third dimension which will clarify the nature of candlesticks further. Below on left side, see figure marked as smiley. Although the body is red as the price is closing below the opening, but the wick it produced in the end is the key factor to determine the nature of this candle. As I have told you and reminded you in my previous video that never ever ignore these wicks. They signal you, talks with you. Here in this scenario, message is clear that in the end of the candlestick closing, buyers were in control and they took the price from low to high towards bullish movement, making it a bullish candle in the end. Same goes for the candlestick on the right side in bearish segment. The candlesticks in the middle are neutral, as again the wicks are telling a story. Neither of the buyers and sellers were in control, as both took the price from high to opening and from low to opening, thus making it a doji. Best word for the nature of these candles. Remember, a single candle cannot change the trend. A combination of 2 to 3 candles are required in a time frame with a particular trend to change the direction or signal the continuation of price action. In our later videos, we are going to learn about few patterns, combinations of candlesticks. If you develop a good grip on the nature of the candlesticks, I bet you won't be needing those hundreds of shapes of candlesticks learning them. Don't waste your time in them. Just learn the nature. What is the candle saying to you? Is it bullish or bearish? That's it for the today. Assalamu alaikum.